Introducing the Niagara Observa brushed brass concealed shower valve with Deluxe square slide rail kit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Indulge in luxury with the Niagara Observa brushed brass concealed shower valve and Deluxe square slide rail kit. This stunning masterpiece will transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of style and relaxation. Featuring a sleek brushed brass finish, this shower exudes elegance and sophistication. The square style adds a modern touch, while the 1.5 meters length hose provides convenience and flexibility during your showering experience. Crafted from high-quality brass, the durable body ensures long-lasting performance. With the twin concealed shower valve, you have complete control over water temperature and flow, thanks to the thermostatic cartridge. Worried about safety? Don't be. The automatic shut-off feature prevents scalding in case of cold water supply failure. We've taken care of everything for you. The temperature is factory set to a comfortable 38 degrees. Upgrade your showering experience with a Niagara Observa brushed brass concealed shower valve with Deluxe square slide rail kit. Get ready to immerse yourself in pure luxury every time you step into your bathroom. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara concealed shower valve range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.